among the top 10 cities of the world which are known for their nightlife. So Goa is among six. So it's the smallest state of India, but it's the richest one. So Goa's GDP is roughly 2.5 times of what the any state of India is altogether averaged out. So it's 2.5 times, which is much more than any comparison. So Goa real estate is doing really wonderful. Only of the one major factor it's like it's less supply and high in demand. So if I come to location now, so there are basically two parts in Goa. There are two districts in Goa. So please change this. Yeah, thank you. So two districts in Goa, North Goa and South Goa, and we are located in Dabolim. So if most of you will be able to relate Dabolim as the airport where the airport is located. So we are very close to the airport. So it's the center part of Goa. So if you are looking forward, if anyone is want to go and enjoy the nightlife and the hustle bustle of Goa, yeah, definitely it's the North Goa is a place. And if anyone wants to have a peaceful, you can say sitting on the white sand beaches, enjoying the shacks, the beach, then South Goa is a place. So we are basically equidistant from both these locations. So we are just at the center for north and the south both. So location wise, again we have one more advantage. We are just 5 kilometers from the international airport, or it's only one airport in Goa, and we are so basically Goa real estate people buy not from Goans, don't buy in Goa. So majorly the people across the world come and buy in Goa as a second home. And if we look at the major buying happens from Delhi NCR market. So if our own data states that like 60% of the property we have sold in the Delhi NCR market. So that's what where we have an advantage. And all the people who are booked coming down, landing in Goa at the airport. So they can just 5 minutes they'll be at their home, and then they can plan wherever they wish to move ahead to enjoy their holiday or to relax or to party. Then we have all the major schools, hospitals, and colleges of Goa very close to our location. So we have SMRC Hospital, which is just 5.5 kilometers. Then we have a BITS Pilani campus that's 180 acres in the size. So that's like just 3 kilometers from our location. And we have the nearest beach, Bogmalo Beach, which is like a white sand beach again. And it have all the very beautiful, very known shacks, restaurants along the beach stretch. We are just 10 kilometers again from the Vasco da Gama, which is the largest city of the Goa. So Panjim is the capital, but the largest city is basically the Vasco da Gama. So we are just 10 minutes drive from the Vasco da Gama. So coming down to the project, so the project is located on a hillock. So basically it gives you the very beautiful view of the Zohari River. So that's how the name of the project is also mentioned, Zohari Rio de Goa. So Rio means in Spanish river, and project is in Goa. So yeah, project name is Rio de Goa, and that's where we are offering the very beautiful view of the Zohari River from the project itself. So it's a 4.82 acres of development with 14 buildings, all are 8 floor buildings, and in total we are doing 639 apartments. So project have configuration starting with studio, then we have 1, then 2, and then 3 BHK apartments. So as like it's like on the sustenance, so we are only left with now 2 BHK apartments. Yeah, but we do have ample of apartments available in a 2 BHKs. So we have 3 different types of 2 BHKs to offer. One is the 692 square feet carpet area. That's the smallest one. Then we have a 808 square feet carpet area. Then we have 935 square feet carpet area. Price range, all inclusive, it starts around 77 lakhs, and max it goes around to 95 lakhs. So that's a very good buying range for the second home when we look into. Okay, and the some USP, or you look at the reasons why one should buy. So yeah, project is ready to move. So the whole complex is ready. We can say the all 14 buildings are ready, painted, ready to hand over. And we also did some possessions before this lockdown situation happens. And again, we'll start after the lockdown finishes up. And all the amenities are operational. It's not just we are handing over the houses and offerings, amenities, everything comes late. So we are handing over the amenities along with the project. So it's a ready to move. The apartments are spacious apartments with a balcony. Some have a single balcony, some have a double balcony. So you can sit in the balcony, enjoy the view in internally, swimming pool, the clubhouse view, the external views. So Goa is like we all talk about the views. And so coming to the amenities, there are 3 levels of amenities. So one is at the stilt level. Stilt level have basically your, you can say the party hall, so where you can arrange some small events, and there will be set of indoor games at the stilt level. Then at the podium level, you will have a clubhouse, and along with that, there will be a swimming pool with the pool deck. Again, you step ahead, there will be the palm tree plantations and the sitting space. So it's a multicolored project. The buildings are all multicolored. Lot of palm tree plantations, so it gives you the actual feel of the Goa right inside the project. Then the USP, again, one major amenity what we talk about is the rooftop amenities. So rooftop amenities, again, you have a swimming pool on the rooftop. There is going to be an open air space for the dining space, or you say bar running. So you would like to spend the morning, evening, even the time at the nights at the bar or the restaurant, enjoying the pool and definitely the view of the Zohari River. So these are the amenities what we are talking about inside the project. So I just like to run through few photographs like of the project. So this is something the actual photograph of the project. This is how actually the project have been is ready to deliver. So you look at all the colors. It's a multicolored buildings. There's a clubhouse what you can see in between. Yeah, next one. So again the pool with the pool deck recliners, and just to look ahead, there will be a small step down where the small waterfall will happen, and there's a palm tree all across the ground area there. So this is actually what Goa is all about. So it's a pool on the rooftop looking at the Zohari River. That's the actual view of the river behind, you can see. And believe me, very few projects in Goa offers the water view. It's all everyone looks for Goa as a water. I want a water view from the apartment, but none of the projects do it. It's a very rarely some projects have the opportunity or the advantage where they are offering the direct view of the river, and we do have this. Right. So basically, I just want to add on the last part is there are three things which I would say the factor in where people actually get a confidence of buying in the second home. The first thing I would like to say it's a brand. So sitting from Delhi or sitting from any other market, when you invest somewhere thousands of kilometers away from your place, so you definitely need a trust factor. So there we have a brand Tata where people actually buy the Tata as a brand. Secondly, the ready to move inventory. So project is ready. That's another confidence what customer gets. He can actually see, he can actually have a look of the photographs, the videos of the project, and then he buys what's ready. There is no point we are delaying or there any delay or anything happens in the project. So it's ready to move now. And third important factor is it's very close to the airport. So it's 5 minutes from the airport. So that's where I repeat again. People are buying this because of this location, because it's only 5 minutes from the airport. So they are connected to their primary locations. Whenever they come to Goa, it's 5 minutes. They are at their home. Whenever they want to go back, it's 5 minutes. They are at airport and they move back to their places. So thanks. That's all from my side. Ankur, please.
Thank you, Navjot, for sharing the details of our Goa project. Apparently, I don't know how many of our partners are aware. This is actually our second project in Goa. We've already done one luxury villa project in Goa, which has been delivered, was very well conceived. Now, I will take you through the current campaign that we have launched to ensure that all of our partners are able to probably sell the inventory that we have, which is ready to move in. आज की डेट में सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांड अब सिर्फ ready to move in inventory की होने वाली है. So just taking you through a new campaign that we have launched